Hi students, welcome back to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. This is Purnima ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about oxidation, reduction and oxidation number. So what is meant by oxidation first of all? Oxidation. Oxidation we can define in two ways. Definition of oxidation we can define in two ways. One is according to the oxidation states, another one is according to the electrons. Comes to the first definition, loss of electrons, also oxidation, gain of electrons, reduction. So here loss of electrons, oxidation, and also increasing oxidation state. Increasing oxidation state from reactant side to products side, also called oxidation. Suppose Na gives rise to Na plus electron. In terms of the electrons is taken, sodium has loses one electron, so sodium is get oxidized. In terms of oxidation states also we can tell, as sodium's oxidation state is it is in elementary state, so sodium shows oxidation state is 0. But here sodium in the product side it is showing +1 oxidation state, so 0 to +1 oxidation state is increasing, so it is said to be oxidation. Now come to the next one. I'll go with the reduction now. Now definition for reduction. First, gain of electrons. Gain of electrons. Reduction. Decreasing oxidation state. Decreasing oxidation state is also known as reduction. See, I'll take one non-metal, chlorine, which is gaining one electron, then it is forming Cl minus. As it is gaining one electron, it gets the negative charge. And here if you see chlorine gained one electron, gain of electrons is called reduction. So chlorine we can say it is reduced. And also as it is existing as the initial metal, initial non-metal means elementary element like, then its oxidation state will be 0. Even for not only for chlorine, if you consider for Cl2 also, Cl2 0, then it is producing -1 here. So 0 to -1, decreasing oxidation state is called reduction. This is called oxidation and reduction. Generally, both oxidation and reduction taking place simultaneously, then that is called redox reaction. What is definition for redox reaction? Both oxidation and reduction taking place simultaneously, such reactions are redox reactions. And we can go for one more definition based on this oxidation state and reducing. Here the number of electrons means here the number of electrons lost in the oxidation process is equals to the number of electrons gained in the reduction process is also called during the reduction process, otherwise during the process, then this is called redox reaction. I'll take here one example. CuSO4 plus zinc. Then it is forming ZnSO4 plus Cu. This reaction we can consider as a single displacement reaction. In our next video, we'll go to the types of reactions. There we can study what is a single displacement reaction, double displacement reactions like. See here, copper sulfate SO4 2 minus, and also copper is showing plus 2. It is Cu plus 2 and SO4 2 minus here. Zinc is in elementary state, its oxidation state is 0. Whereas come to the zinc, here it is forming Zn plus 2 and SO4 2 minus. By crisscross rule it is getting ZnSO4. So zinc oxidation state is plus 2. Copper, it is the elementary element, so its oxidation state is 0. If you observe the copper terms, Cu plus 2 to Cu 0. Plus 2 to 0, decreasing oxidation state. So copper is getting reduced. This is called reduction. Whereas come to the zinc 0 to plus 2. Zinc 0 to zinc plus 2. Increasing oxidation state. So it is called oxidation. See here, same number of electrons. 2 electrons reduced by copper and 2 electrons gained by the zinc. Sorry, two electrons are lost by the zinc and 2 electrons are taken by the copper. So this reaction is said to be a redox reaction. Both oxidation and reduction both taken place in the same reaction. Such reactions are said to be, this one reversible, we can write redox reactions. How can we write these oxidations? We will calculate anyway. Okay, here one more important thing here. A species which undergoes oxidation, that is called reducing agent. Here zinc Zn 0 to plus 2, isn't it? So the zero increasing oxidation state is called oxidation, so that is called reducing agent. Zinc is called reducing agent. Copper plus 2 to 0 get reduced, reduction takes place. So copper is called oxidizing agent. So here we can write from the equation, zinc is oxidation takes place, then that is called reducing agent. Copper on reduction reduced, so it is called oxidizing agent. It is called oxidizing agent. This is about oxidation, reduction, redox reaction, reducing agent and oxidizing agents. Then what is meant by oxidation number? Then what is meant by oxidation number? The definition for oxidation number is charge of an atom in a molecule is called oxidation number. That is also which charge? Assumed charge. Assumed charge of an atom in a molecule is called oxidation number. Here we can go for one clue. More electronegative element assigned with negative oxidation number. Less electronegative element assigned with positive oxidation number. And here one more important point. Oxidation state can be positive, negative or 0 also. 0 and fractional also. It can have a fractional value also. This is the definition for oxidation number. Okay. See, while calculating the oxidation number, we have to remember some points. Means some are the bullet points, like those helps. The first and very first one in that, elementary state means oxidation number of an atom in its elementary state. Helium, it is in its elementary state. Hydrogen, H2, Cl2, Br2, O2, H2, diatomic, Cl2, Br2. And helium, it is in its atomic state. Zinc, copper, silver, gold, anything when it is in its atomical elementary state, then its oxidation state will be 0. And highest electronegative element in the periodic table is fluorine. It shows always -1 is its oxidation state because of its high electronegativity. And here one more important thing, hydrogen reacting with metals, sodium is the metal, NaH, then sodium is plus and hydrogen is -1. So hydrogen shows -1 oxidation state. And here in one more thing, hydrogen reacting with non-metals. Non-metals means what is that? Chlorine, oxygen, fluorine or anything. Then hydrogen shows +1 oxidation state. +1 oxidation state means H2O, oxygen is plus, hydrogen is +1. HCl, hydrogen is +1. Here also +1. Anything, if your HF, hydrogen is +1. So when it is reacting with the this one, they will shows the +1 oxidation state. These are the normal and the general principles. And also in the overall the periodic table, highest oxidation state shown is +8. Highest oxidation state is +8. That shows by OSO4, osmium O4 shows +8 oxidation state. Ruthenium tetroxide shows +8 oxidation state. Okay, so these are the minimum points we have to remember. And also here we can calculate for some of the numbers, it's a oxidation number. How to calculate the oxidation number for some examples? So generally see here, KMnO4, manganese oxidation state. Potassium oxidation state, we know how to calculate the oxidation state. See, potassium oxidation state is +1, we know. Manganese we don't know, just assume it as X. Plus oxygen's oxidation state is -2. How many are there? 4 are there, which is equals to, there is equal to 0 because there is no charge on KMnO4. So 0. Then X, -2 into 4 means -8 plus 1. So it is -7 equal to 0. So X is equal to +7. In KMnO4, manganese oxidation state is +7. Like that only you can take one more example. H2SO4. You want sulfur's oxidation state. It is 2. Hydrogen is 1. 2 hydrogens are there. 2. 1 into 2. Plus sulfur you don't know. That one you have to calculate. Then assume it is as X. Plus 1 oxygen is -2. Like that you have 4 oxygens, which is equals to 0. So 2 plus X minus 6. Sorry, -8 equal to 0. Then X equals to +6 oxidation state shown by the sulfur. And here one more important thing is, there is some exemption in the oxidation states. If we calculate, we will get one thing, but actual oxidation state shown is another thing. So what are those exemptional molecules? Let us see in the next video. Okay, students, thank you. This is oxidation, reduction and oxidation state calculations also, some more molecules we can calculate its oxidation states in the next video. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.